Have you ever wondered why sequencing is so critical in construction projects? Well, in the world of construction, sequencing is the backbone that upholds the entire structure of the project. It's the crucial blueprint of a building, guiding every step of the construction process. Consider a construction project as a three-dimensional puzzle, with each piece fitting perfectly into its assigned spot. If a puzzle piece is placed before its required time, the entire puzzle could become a chaotic mess. Similarly, in construction, each step must follow in the right order to ensure the project's success. Let's delve into the concept of sequencing using the example of footing construction. Footing construction is a fundamental part of any construction project, providing the solid base upon which the rest of the structure will stand. It involves several stages, including excavation, forming and reinforcing footings, and finally, placing the footings. Now you might think, it's simple, just follow the steps one after the other. But here's where the idea of preferential activity relationship comes into play. This represents the way the contractor prefers to sequence the work. It's not just about following a set pattern, but finding the sequence that works best for the specific project at hand. In our footing construction example, the physical relationship between excavation, forming and reinforcing footings, and the placing of footings governs the sequence of work. However, when each of these activities is started relative to one another is preferential. The forming and reinforcing of footings can start after all, or some of the excavation is complete. Similarly, the placing of footings can start after all, or some of the forming and reinforcing is complete. As long as the physical relationship between activities is satisfied, when succeeding activities are started is a matter of preference for the contractor. This flexibility in sequencing allows contractors to optimize resources, manage risks, and potentially accelerate the project timeline. So, what have we learned today? Sequencing in construction projects isn't just a matter of following a step-by-step guide. It's a dance, a delicate balance of activity, where the timing of each step can be adjusted to suit the rhythm of the project. It's about understanding the physical relationship between activities and using preferential activity relationships to optimize the process. In essence, sequencing is not just about what happens next, it's about what happens best. And that is the beauty and the challenge of sequencing in construction projects. It's not just about building structures, but building them in the best possible way.